our times we used to.
Then she started a program to help people
sources include books, magazines, newspapers, journals, etc. These are the ways through libraries they are able to reach the users. So implementation of best practices in libraries will have great impact in developing regular reader of the book. So once you are promoting the writing habit, automatically students are borrowing the books in more numbers. They get the interest of reading, writing, and automatically he will become a regular reader of a book or a book lover. Because young child, due to lack of time, whenever teachers are giving assignments, when they come to home, they just depend upon AI or ChatGPT because it easily gives out the information when you are asking for any information. So it will easily give out. And the students are so much stubborn. Mom, see mom, so such a neat presentation it has given. So they are not trying to use their mind, but automatically they are depending on the AI, which is giving very good, interesting information on that on any particular topic. So my intention is that when they are executing any sort of writing to the library, they can mention because of book that they borrowed. They can try to give information about the title, author, who was the publisher, when it got published, and before reading the book, if they have any idea, after reading the concept of after reading the book, what is the knowledge that you gain through that particular book? So that can promote the reading habit. So it will help self as well as other users who come to the library to inspire readers. This is one of the concepts that can be made as a trial to inspire the students who are visiting the library. So in order to make a student a regular reader of the book, it is the duty of the librarians to ensure that the students they can give up their writings. Similarly, like notice boards are already available in the library. Notice boards are like what else going to happen. That will be. So my concept is implementation of wall magazine. As you enter into the library, there will be a wall magazine where students' writings are executed, and thus that reaches the various users and promoting, inspiring the other users to promote the writing habit. If writing habit is happening, automatically books are being borrowed in more numbers, and reading habit is automatically coming. When reading is there, when writing is there, the communication skills automatically develops. So the main conclusion is that implementation of unique and trending best practices, that is S.R. Kadinaran's Wall magazine, which enhances the reading skill, the writing skill, and the communication skill of any user. This method is just an attempt to identify and implement the same for enhancing reading skill. Developing reading habit among students at this stage helps in creating. So society is very much important. When we are getting education, it becomes necessary that through some work we should give something to the society. And it becomes why we are taking education to become a doctor or engineer, lawyer, librarian, any profession is like survival is important and our dedication to the society. So this implementation of best practice might be responsible for creating various, like it is responsible for creating an author, because many students come to the library. Today they are borrowing books from other authors. Might be after 5 years there are chances where the student who is writing an article might be the future author. So that will be like great impact on the users. So that's my idea.
काही नाही मॅडम. ओके.
कर देंगे